Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the highly sought after area of College View, Mandeville, Manchester, is this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom property for sale. It sits on 0.26 acres. Some features of this house includes double car garage, balcony with views of the surroundings, spacious foyer, nicely laid out kitchen, spacious rooms and bathrooms, etc. It offers unparalleled convenience as it is in proximity to Northern Caribbean University. Enjoy seamless access to academic pursuits, making this residence ideal for family, students, and faculty alike. Just minutes away, the vibrant town of Mandeville beckons, offering a plethora of stores, banks, and dining options. Embrace the bustling commercial hub's charm while having essential amenities like hospitals within reach. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 420,000 or Jamaican $64.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.